Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch and it's got an ignition issue on it. FD, electrical interruption. So we're going to sort this out and I'll be sharing that with you in this video and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's first of all take the bottom panel off and then we're going to take the front casing off and we're going to do a visual inspection on it. Now when I took the bottom panel off, I've seen so many mass droppings and I wonder if that's got something to do with it.
See, no heating as well?
I haven't tried it, but I'm guessing that.
Well, visually looks fine. Can't see any soot marks or any rust anywhere. And the wiring harness looks fine too. So let's try and reset it and let's see what happens. Right, it would fire up, but it was making gurgling noises. So that just gave me a clue what's wrong with it. Okay, I was going to do that, but... Okay, just reset again. Oh, it's not reset. Chalo. Let's find the top bit. Right, I took the bottom cap off, cleaned it out, but it wouldn't still work properly. So I had to take, I had to take the whole heat trap out and clean it out. Right, this boiler hasn't been serviced for more than 10 years, so that's why it's all clogged up. Now, you need to get your boiler serviced on a regular basis, otherwise you'll have problems. Give us a call if you want your boiler serviced. इसकी साफ करो।
पानी बहुत डालना, लिपी जाए।
बट्टे लिखने हैं बट्टे
ऊपर घुटते बार बार कपड़े और रखते
ना सेविस ना करने तो हर साल साथ
और 10 साल हो गए आज भी हो गया
फ्रेंड ने नवीं चीज़ों की ऊपर 10 साल इस साथ ही चलनी है
10 साल ही जा रही है
ना 10 साल इस साथ ही चलना है
ऐसा बच्चों साफ हो जाए
हर साल सी सर्विस करनाती हैं
Guys, we sorted this boiler out. It had electrical ignition issues on it. Actually, it wasn't that. It was the condensers clogged up on it. So it's all sorted, cleaned it all out, and it's working fine now. Yeah. I've got it up to 70 Celsius, and its noise is much better now. The short video, I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.